Yo, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about a new framework library that I found. It's very popular. I've never used it in my life, but you gotta pop a couple kernels to make the popcorn. It's a classic saying. I always say that. Anyways, so this library is really cool because it's quite fast and it provides, here let me scroll down, it provides accessibility for Y ARIA standards. It's themable, composable, it's light mode, dark mode, and its community is freaking wonderful. They have a Discord button right here, and they have almost 10,000 people in the Discord, so check them out. They have a couple of huge websites using them, like Ethereum. Never did anything with cryptocurrency, but something that I'm really excited about is that Chakra UI actually provides templates on how to use itself. And these aren't like in Material UI, they have 9 templates, like these basic ones right here. No, these are 75. There's a lot in this song. There's a lot of them here, and they also show you different formats of what they look like in different devices. So I'm pretty excited to go ahead and get started with this library in this series. We're going to be talking about how to use the themes, how to use the hooks, and how to use the components. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So when you click on Get Started, it's going to take you to the installation page, and if you scroll to the very bottom, it's going to provide you the frameworks that this library is available in. It has Create React App, Next.js, Gatsby, Blitz, Redwood, Remix, Vite, and Meteor. I've only used these 3 right here, so for this series specifically, we're going to be focusing on Create React App. So go ahead and click on that bad boy, and then it's going to take you to the installation for Create React App. They provide you templates that are built with Chakra UI dependencies already installed on it. So we have a JavaScript template and TypeScript template. Since this is a beginner-friendly course, we're going to be sticking to the JavaScript one. And my TypeScript is not that good anyways. But anyways, so it includes Chakra UI React, themes, theme tools, and React icons, which is really useful because unfortunately the icons in this library aren't the most robust. But it is still a very solid library nonetheless. And they also provide you a manual installation if you want to just create a React app and then install all these things and how to set it all up. But we're not going to be doing that. We're going to actually just go ahead and use this snippet of code using npm and install Chakra UI. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste the code into my VS Code right here, and I'm going to go ahead and change the name to call it something like Chakra UI tutorial course or whatever. Chakra UI tutorial course. Alright, perfect. So I have npm started, and you can see that the app is open right here. We have light mode, dark mode coming right out of the box. I think this is probably one of the best template apps I've ever seen coming right out of the box. And we're just going to build right through here. So we're going to consider our app.js file as our home directory. We're going to contain all of our routes, routers, whatever we need for a React router to work, and our navbar and footer, and then we're going to create individual components within the routes. So stay tuned for that, and if you did enjoy this, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.